Wow, thank you again for joining me on my channel. I want to welcome you. This is Life Plus. This is the first time you are seeing me, where I share spiritual tips, spiritual solutions that can help to alleviate any challenge you are going through, whether financial, marital, business, and whatever. This solution will definitely have had positive response, positive feedback from a lot of my viewers. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today, I want to share with you in a what I would call a very powerful spiritual money pulling soap. It's a money pulling soap that can pull money to any individual, male or female, irrespective of whatever you are doing. It will attract money to you. And what are the things you need? The very first thing you need is you need just one Sodom apple leaf, just one that is very, very wide. This one is chopped off because I just prepared one, so it is already chopping off because I don't need this. So I say let me come and use it to let you see how it looks like. This is Sodom apple leaf. This is the smaller version. This is the small one. This is the small one. So you need one that is wide like this. You need one that is wide like this. That's the first thing you need. The next thing you need is you need the highest denomination of the money in your country. This is the one we use in Nigeria. It is 1,000 naira. So you need the currency, paper currency of your country. You need one. So that's next. The next thing you need is you need the shea butter. This is shea butter, which we call ori here. You need shea butter. Sodom apple leaf is called Bomubomu in our clan here. So you need shea butter. So, and then you need your soap, any soap of your choice, or Ghana soap, or any black soap, or if you're in Nigeria, you can use any of the black soap. But if you don't have, you can't lay your hand with either Ghana soap or black soap, you can do with any soap of your choice. Then you need your Divine Grace perfume. You need your Divine Grace perfume. Let me show you. This is the Divine Grace perfume. You need one, not as big as this. You just need 50 ml, 50 milliliters, 50 ml. This is 250 ml. This one is 250 ml, but you just need 50 ml for the preparation. Then you need your Bible, because you are going to chant Psalm 24 or Psalm 72. You will chant Psalm 24 and Psalm 72 after preparing this spiritual soap. So that is what you need. Now, what are the steps in preparing this powerful money pulling soap? The very first thing is this. You will take this shea butter and you will rub it on the body, you will rub it on the Sodom apple leaf. Just that one Sodom apple leaf. You will rub the shea butter. Look at it. You just take the shea butter like this, see shea butter, and then you start rubbing it on it like this. You can see now I'm rubbing it. You rub it to it very well till the shea butter can cover this leaf. You rub it. Once you have done, you rub it on it like that. You rub it, you rub it, you rub it, you rub it. You know, I'm using the small one, so you need a big one because of time. So I'm using a small one so it can be fast. So you rub it. You can see I have rubbed the shea butter on it. Then the next stage is for you to stick the currency of your country on it. You know, that's why I said you can see the currency is much bigger than the leaves. So you need to get just a wide Sodom apple one. So you stick it. You can see it's already sticked into it. You stick it. So once you are done sticking the currency with it, then you now grind both together as you know, they already stick together like this. So you grind it smooth, both as it is. You don't separate it. You grind this smooth. You grind it smooth together as they are stick. You grind it smooth like that, and then you now mix it with any soap of your choice. You now mix it with any soap of your choice. You mix that grinded powder, you know, the currency and the Sodom apple, you mix it together. You mix it together with your soap, any of your soap, Ghana soap, black soap, or whatever soap you use, and then you add 50 ml of the Divine Grace perfume, 50 ml of the Divine Grace perfume into that soap, and you mix that again together with it very, very well. You mix it together again very, very well. Then you empty it into your white packaging container, and then you open your Bible to Psalm 24 and you chant it 3 times. And you open to Psalm 72 and you also chant it 3 times. You chant these 2 Psalms, Psalm 24 and Psalm 72, 3 times each into the item, and then you pray for money to come towards you. Now, how do you use it? How do you use it? You are going to leave it just for 24 hours, which is just a day, just one day, and then you start using it to take your bath early in the morning before the sun rises, and then you will see people, even places, even those who you have never put your mind towards, you will see money coming from that direction. Give it a trial, and you will thank me for it, and you will reach out to me sharing your positive feedback with me. If you haven't subscribed, please, please, and please, I want to really plead with you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I want to really hit the subscriber button. Also hit the notification bell. And also, you don't know any of your friends, your brothers, your sisters, your colleagues in the office that need this solution. Share it with them. Share it with as many people, and they will be grateful. You are a door to get them getting over their money issue. So share it. Thank you, and see you some other time.